So, my name is Jasprit Kaur. I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 111224 to access the level of candidate. So, shall we start?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Chetan Thor.
Okay, how may I address you?
I will be glad if you can call me by my first name Chetan.
Okay, Chetan, where are you from?
I am lived in Khanna City, district Ludhiana, which is located in northwestern country.
Okay, do you work or study?
I have recently completed my education and now I am trying to study in abroad.
Okay, let's talk about science classes. Do you like science?
Yes, I have a great interest in science while I am studying in 10th class, but I have leave that subject because of my pressure from my home.
Okay. Did you enjoy learning science in primary or high school?
Yes, I like to study science in my primary education, and I know various formulas and that I studied in primary education.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Yes, it is too much important to study science because that tells us about our environment and our nature.
Okay, what kind of science did you learn at school?
In my school level, I learn environmental science and geography is also part of science, so that I learned that in particular in that field.
Okay, let's talk about trust. Who do you trust most?
I trust on my mother most because she was the only person that that feels me comfortable in trust matters.
Okay, what kind of people do you trust?
In people with innocent nature, I trust because they do not have anything. They do not have any matter from others' work, and they have good sense of talk with others.
Okay. Have you ever lost your trust in somebody?
Yes, recently my friend breaks my trust while he was my childhood friend, and whenever he was doing anything he tells me, but this time he has break my trust in because he do something that I do not like in my nature.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is a card with some question. You will have a minute to look at the questions and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of card. If you wish, you can use the notepad and pencil to make some notes. So your speaking topic is describe a work or sports you have done as a team. Done?
Yes.
You may start now.
Well, there are various situations when we have to cooperate with our team, and we have to do something that will help out someone's. And today I would like to talk about the situation when I have played a match with my team at a district level. That's a match of cricket, and we are all 12 members and 11 members are playing in that match, and I had a great experience of that match because I first time played for district and for my school, and represent my school, and my whole team have made a good efforts to win this match, and we have scored 180 in 20 overs, and their opponents cannot chase that target, and lastly we won this match. And that's a cricket match, and I like it to play cricket too much, and it is a game of playing with team, and team also my team do well in that match, and the best bowler of my team takes 10 out of 10 wickets and in this match, and I play this match in 12th standard, and that's last time of my studies that I going on, and that's a good team effort by my team, and I feel ambitious when I think about this match. I am over the moon, and lastly this match was a memorable match for me to have a good memories in my life that I have told whenever I told this to someone, I feel ambitious about this experience.
Okay, so now it is a it is a time of part 3. So I will ask you some follow-up questions. Okay. Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, team activities are too much important in my locality, and that's why I feel teamwork is too much good for our human nature, because we need some help from others. It tells us about team spirit, and for example, to do any work with full force and full efforts is good for every human to do this for our team.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
In a team, all efforts from all the members of team should be there, and team should play a great match and a great thing, and with team spirit that they have to do in their whole career.
Do you think team leaders are important in team?
Captain plays an important role in team, and that's why captain's leader is most important to lead the team any situation, and to cover any of the mistakes made by their team members.
Why do companies practice team activities?
In many companies, team activities are done by their employees, so they appreciate them by awarding them and by giving some gifts to them.
Why do you think sports team perform so well?
In some sports there is need of teamwork, and they need to have a good efforts by their whole team, and so that it is important to have team efforts full with their own concentration, so that the winning achievements are distributed equally to their players.
Okay.